Being very honest.
Oh, you're all right.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Hey,
Put the gun down.
go down.
You okay?
On the 13th of December, 2024 in Jacksonville, Florida, Officer Sean was on patrol when he noticed a car running a red light, so he pulled it over. According to the police report, the driver was 38-year-old Jason Arrington.
Hey, you got a valid driver's license, proof of insurance, all that good stuff? He blew that red light.
The light was yellow and turned red when I went under.
It was red when you blew it.
It was yellow.
Okay. Well, I saw it. It was red. So,
I saw it too.
all right. Well, you got a proof of insurance?
The driver denied running the red light but complied with the officer's request and provided his vehicle insurance and registration information. While Jason was retrieving the documents, a keen-eyed firefighter noticed that the car's ignition system was damaged. Combined with the driver's skin color, the firefighter suspected the car might be stolen and began cautiously communicating with Jason.
You got anything crazy in the car?
Yeah.
What do you got?
A gun.
You got a gun? You do? All right. Where's that? It's on you? Okay. As long as you're cool and
Under Florida's latest laws, anyone over the age of 21 is allowed to carry a concealed weapon without an additional permit, so it wasn't illegal for Jason to have a weapon on him. The firefighter hoped Jason would remain cooperative, and with that, they relaxed their guard. However, the firefighter still followed protocol, wanting to ensure everything was in order before allowing Jason to leave. After confirming there were no issues, 2 backup officers arrived to assist at the scene. However, this is where the situation began to take a bizarre turn.
he's very compliant. He does have a pistol on him. So we're going to take him out from that side, remove the pistol, and we'll go from there. All right?
After Sean relayed the situation to his partner, Officer Carter, who was on the other side of the vehicle, prepared to have the driver exit the car and disarm him.
Being very
Oh,
honest.
you're all right.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Hey,
Put the gun down.
go down.